आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ आने के बाद? आपको काम सीखने को मिल रहा है, जो भी है सिंगल डेकर, डबल डेकर, क्या दिक्कत था, क्या परेशानी पहले था, अभी क्या है? जो भी है खोल के बताओ।
First of all, good evening, sir. Yeah, my name is Night Star Walang, and I come from the state of Meghalaya, Shillong.
Okay,
So I came here. First day of the class is 28. So I have been in the mobile line since 7 to 8 years, and I only do small IC like WTR IC, Power IC. I have tried this CPU eMMC, but always not success. So I've seen this video of your institute in YouTube, and I applied. And after I applied, after 3 months, I got the course
okay,
to come here start the course. So after coming here, now it is the fifth day of the class,
okay,
and I want to review that I have learned a lot. I have learned to how to take out the CPU, eMMC. I have learned how to cut the black paste and white paste. I have learned this reballing and also how to paste the IC very easily. The trick which sir has taught us, it is very easy, and most of the class is practical class. So I brought here so many mobile with me, and around 4 or 5 mobile it has been done completely on. So I'm very happy and I'm very glad that a teacher like sir is giving us this knowledge so that we can learn. So thank you so much. So I want to request those of you who are watching this video who would like to learn about CPU reballing, who would like to learn about how to cut the black paste and double decker also. You can always contact Big Mobile Repair. Phone number is also given on the screen below. Thank you.